What's going on, guys? This is Kirk from Give Me Tech, the channel where we review, have a little humor, and give you some good results. Today is going to be a special day. I want to show you guys my setup, my desk, my work from home, my YouTube channel, and how it goes. Here we go. Tell me what you think. Leave the comments below and make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Make sure that you catch all my videos. Let's go. Well, I hope you liked it. All the details of everything that you saw in this video will be linked down in the description below. Let's go ahead and start a chat up and let me know what you guys think about what I have set up, what I need, what I don't need, some good ideas on upgrading, but that monitor is gonna be the next video. 49-inch Dell, let's get it. Thank y'all for tuning in, and again, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on these great videos. Peace out.